So to answer another frequently asked question, how much does it cost to do a click lock installation? Click lock installations are a little bit different. They're also called floating floor installations. And if you want to do a click lock vinyl or a glue down vinyl, we charge the same rate. They're just a little different, but technically the time it takes and everything is very much similar. So that's $3.75. It's pretty self-explanatory. Vinyl plank or click lock planks go together. They're very durable. They're very water resistant. It's a good quality product. We're happy to help you out with them. If you have a click or glue down project and you need somebody that knows what they're doing to take care of it, call me, Hunter Ross, Wood Floors of Dallas. I'll be happy to take care of you. My number is 972-525-0026. That's the office line. You can also email me at info@woodfloorsofdallas.com, or you can reach out to us on all of our social media, which is @woodfloordallas. Thanks for watching the video. Look forward to seeing you. Look forward to talking to you, and take care of your project. Take care.